All these people are waiting for the ATM machine.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So this is the street where I lost my drone. Right at that corner, right there. Right at that corner. I mean, okay, let's follow this car, okay? So where that car is, keep going. Yeah, right there in that block. The block which starts from there. And it's funny, when I was there, the drone was showing I'm 2 meters away from it. And when I asked, there was a guy who was there, I asked him, he said no. So I went to the next place, which was a bank. They tried checking on the rooftop using cameras, security cameras, everything. They didn't see it. Man, it's so sad. I just lost my drone. But it's funny, I don't feel anything. Like, I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know, it's strange, super strange. I don't feel any. I feel like I still have it. Or maybe my mind has not accepted, you know. So, damn, let me go back to where I was flying it from and see if maybe it could be there. Maybe, you know. But probably I don't think, because it did not recognize it disconnected and just disconnected. Like, I've been traveling with this drone in many countries. For the first time I lost it. Yeah, man. In the streets of Heredia, Costa Rica. Whew. So sad. So I don't know if I'll go to other cities in Costa Rica, because like I wanted to go to Lemon, and because of my drone I don't think I'll go now. I'll have to buy another one, you know. Please, maybe I'll start a GoFundMe. You guys can support me. Actually, I have my PayPal in the link below. Go check it out. Man, drop anything you can drop there. Let's get a new drone as soon as possible. We need a drone, man, too. Man, I feel confused. Super confused. I'm walking you back where I flew it from. It just disconnected. This is so strange, you know. So I flew it from here. So I flew the drone from this park. Let me take you to the exact point. I just hope it came back home. You know, when you've lost hope but you still hope for the best? That's what I'm trying to do right now. So I flew it from here, right here. Actually not far away from where I was. Just right from this bench right here actually, and it has not returned home. You see, nothing. Yeah, it hasn't returned home. Amigo, ¿dónde es el autobús de San José?
Allá están aquí amarillo, donde dice Leandro, allá al frente.
Ok, gracias. I'm going back home. I can't believe I just left my drone in this town, you know? So I was flying my drone, then all of a sudden it just disconnected and disappeared. I think it could be someone here.
El 50, el 11, el 11, el 11, el 11, el 11, el 11, el 11.
Amigo, San José. Oh, gracias. Yeah, man, this is one of those crazy days. Yeah, of my travels. Maybe I won't forget it, you know. Now I don't even have to travel to other places because I need a drone, man, to show you some beautiful images, you know. All these people are waiting for the ATM machine. So I guess I was looking for an ATM machine, but there are many people, man. So I guess I'll have to go and use dollars. Okay. Yeah. Hey, limon. Limon is looking amazing. I don't know which city it reminds me of. Wow. So.
Cadena de tiendas El Regalón. Somos la cadena de tiendas más grandes del país. Visite todas nuestras tiendas. Tenemos ropa para damas, caballeros y niños. Todo en ropa de casa y cama, juguetería, artículos para el hogar, promociones todos los días. Cadena de tiendas El Regalón. La cadena de tiendas más grande del país.
I don't know, man. My camera has been bullshitting. With a big one. So actually it's supposed to be somewhere.
All I need is you, baby, baby.